so deserve that.
She got.
Ooh. Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn! Shit! Damn!
Beat that bitch though.
Oh, she got in the car. Oh, she got a purse. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, she dropped a cigarette. Oh shit! She's scared. Oh, she gonna hit that kid. Oh shit! Damn! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! The man ain't even helping. We watching this. I ain't moving. Oh, you recording that?
On the iPhone, you already know what's up. I'm gonna put this on World Star. She
Oh, she forgot her hat. Get your hat, baby.
She got her ass beat, bro.
She did.
I'm sorry.
That's already used in medical circles for other reasons. He can increase a woman's breast size a cup to a cup and a half using this procedure. He says another bonus is if you're thinking about getting breast implants, you can just come in for the Insta breast poke and find out, you know, do you like the size? Do you like the weight? What can you know?
That to me, not that I would ever do that, but that would make more sense. The vacation breasts.
What?
You're going to be yourself when you come back.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, but the other good thing about the vacation breast idea, like you said, is if it lasts for like 2 weeks, then you'll know after 2 weeks, do I really like him this big, do I not like him that big, whatever. Then you can always ask your guy.
What happens if you wear them on a blind date? And then you start to develop a relationship with this guy.
Yeah.
And he watches things
Deteriorate?
decrease.
Decline?
Get smart.